Hi, this video is about how to create this stainless steel sink using AiHouse. We will be using kitchen cabinet function here. So first, you can drag a single cabinet or a double cabinet, it's up to you. Okay, let's use a double cabinet. And then we place it on the floor and change the size. Next, we're gonna right click the cabinet and add the sink here. Choose your preferred sink. And then you can add the faucet. Okay, then we delete the doors. Now you can see the sink. Click on the sink, resize here on the right. And then we reposition it. Okay, next press B for board selection. Okay, and then we can delete the unwanted panels. Okay, we will use this panel as the frame of the sink now. Check the size of the right panel and then we can change the size of this frame. And then we reposition it. So for this back panel, we can keep for the backsplash later, so we can ignore the overlapping now. Okay, back to this panel. Change the size. So we will make it 50. And of course you will need to reposition again. Alright, so we are still in board selection mode. Okay, now you right click and panel point editing. We're gonna drill a hole here. So I'm making a frame size of 50. So you can just draw the rectangle first. If you couldn't get the 50, you can always click it back here and then you change the size. Okay, so you get a frame already. Save and return. Okay, now I will change the size of the side panels. Still in board selection mode. And then we change the size. Okay, adjust the sink as there's overlapping here. Alright, now we move down the frame to align with the sink. Okay. And then we can reposition the side panels now. Okay, done. For the backsplash, let's move the view. Okay, so we will change the size of this backsplash first. Okay, then only we reposition it. Alright, we almost done here. Now for the base, as you can see, the back one, the base, we can just search for super and drag this super panel out, and then we resize it. Okay, and then we reposition it. Okay, so when it's done, you can just Ctrl V to copy a new one, and then you reposition again. Okay, now the structure is all done. We're just going to change the material now. Click on the cabinet and change the material as usual. So we can just search for stainless steel. Okay, then for the base, you can just search for black. Okay, and you can format painter. Alright, so now you can select all. Okay, Control select all and then Control G to group them, and then you click favorite, you can add it to the library. Okay, so you can find it from the left side, favorite. Okay, and then for future projects you can just drag it out. So this is the end of the video. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Happy trying. Bye.